Cooking videos are getting weird, man. However, there is an easily identifiable reason why artists are adding extremely sus imagery. Before we get into that, let's take a look into where it all began. Mr. Papa Frita seems to be responsible for initiating the trend, uploading a seemingly normal short video on how to make loaded fries on the 24th of August this year, utilizing the popular song Party by Bad Bunny and Bryant Myers. Unbeknownst to the casual viewer, Mr. Papa Frita would also include a blink and you'll miss it clip of two guys making out. This bait and switch attempt clearly is geared toward getting the viewer hungry and pumped with dopamine from delicious food, before slamming them with unrelated imagery and shocking their brains into going back and looking at it again just to make sense of what they've seen. It's a genius maneuver on the part of digital artists, because it ensures insane retention rates as audiences never know what they're going to get. Plus, it's almost as if this trend is geared toward generating shock factor, but in a manner that is family friendly. To put it plainly, many people are so used to watching cooking recipes that their brains have been trained to expect zero deviation when it comes to that particular brand of content. After all, recipe formats have more or less stayed the same on social media since it became popular. However, seeing a flash of two people kissing passionately or animals licking each other's mouths completely removes the normally clinical nature of such a predictable structure, compelling viewers to come back for more despite their surprise. In marketing, it's a tactic that has been used for centuries and is regularly researched. After all, challenging the sensibilities of the average person is a great way to get attention, which parallels the ongoing efforts displayed in meme culture over the past couple decades. Coming across sex, gore, or something that just makes people say what the fuck is an incredibly common occurrence, which is why this particular trend sticks out as it seems to be really making a large impression. What makes this particular incident stand out though is that people are paying deep attention to it. One would expect modern viewers to be unsurprised by simple shock imagery in 2022, given its long lineage of use throughohout the decades. KFC España unsurprisingly also got in on the action, chucking in a picture of what appears to be a deep-fried dick, demonstrating how powerful this meme is when it comes to its marketing tactics as well as its viability as a marketing tool. The Spanish KFC, of course, being a great example of a brand that feels a bit more tapped into shitposting than others, although it still gives whiplash to see such a big franchise utilizing shock tactics. In short, cooking videos with surprising imagery getting thrown in disrupts the predictable pattern of recipe clips human brains have been trained to be familiar with, making for an insanely repeatable trend handcrafted to go absolutely massive online. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.